Make a great choice today with the 2019 GS350. The GS350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.